I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to manually adjust screen brightness. So by default, the watch is set to automatic screen brightness, but let me show you how you can manually adjust it. So go to settings, swipe up and then tap on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down to display, tap on that. Under display, tap on brightness. So to be able to change brightness manually, you have to disable automatic screen brightness. So turn that off, and then now you can tap on custom, and you can use this to reduce or increase screen brightness. Okay, so you can just use this round slider to increase and reduce screen brightness. Alternatively, you can use the buttons to reduce and to increase screen brightness. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.